In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail messages all at once. If you're looking to clear out your mailbox in one sweep, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it safely and efficiently. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. For this process, the desktop version works best because it gives you the full set of controls you need. Once you're in your inbox, focus your attention on the left side of the screen. Find and click All Mail. This view shows nearly everything in your account: messages from your inbox, archived items, and any messages with labels, excluding spam and trash. It's the right place to be when you want to select everything at once. Now look at the top left of your message list for the selection box. It's the small square above your emails, just below the search bar. Click that box. At first, Gmail only selects the messages visible on the current page. That's normal. Right after you click it, you'll see a message appear above your emails offering to select all conversations in All Mail. Click that link. This is the key step that extends your selection beyond the first page and grabs every conversation in All Mail, no matter how many pages there are. With everything selected, go to the toolbar at the top of the list and click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. Gmail will ask you to confirm that you want to move all selected conversations to the trash. Confirm the delete. For large accounts, this action can take a moment, so give it a little time to process and avoid refreshing the page while it works. Once the delete is confirmed, all of those conversations are moved to your trash. They'll stay there for up to 30 days and then be permanently removed automatically. That means this bulk deletion is effectively reversible for a short window, which is helpful if you notice you removed something you still need. After that window, the messages are gone for good, so be sure you're comfortable with the selection before you proceed. That's the entire process. Open Gmail, go to All Mail, use the selection box, choose to select all conversations, click the trash icon, and confirm. Keep an eye on the notification at the bottom of the screen for progress updates and let Gmail finish before you navigate away. You've just learned the fastest, cleanest way to clear your Gmail in one go.